So last month here on the channel, we opened up what might have been the absolute worst clothing subscription box that anybody has ever received. It was almost unbelievable how bad it was. It was the Fashom mystery box. If you didn't see that video, here's a real quick TLDR on it. Fashom is a fashion mystery box. It used to be a subscription box way back. They at one point decided to change it to a mystery box. You fill out a style quiz, you pay $55, and they're going to send you 5 pieces that you have to keep. There's no refund sending it back. It's a mystery box. And these 5 pieces are supposed to fit you, actually be your size, as well as fit your style profile. So you're supposed to get things that you'll actually wear, and it was bad. So I wanted to replace Fashom with something that I would actually use. So I was looking around at the subscription boxes. There really aren't that many out on the market right now. Stitch Fix, which you have to keep all 5 items in order to get a discount, and they're pretty expensive, price per item, $50 to $100. They also lean very professional, and that's not me at all. So I know that they probably couldn't send me 5 things that I love. So I would probably never get a discount at Stitch Fix. The other one, Wantable. That one, it fits a little bit more my style, which does have a lot of millennial basic bitch in it. So since it leans very activewear, I was considering that one. Again, you have to keep 5 of the 7 pieces, which could also get very expensive. And that's not something that's going to help me fill out my wardrobe. It's just one type of category in my wardrobe. And outside of that, the only other subscription boxes that I really saw were specialty screen tees, lingerie, and activewear like Fabletics. But I had the idea to go to Etsy and see if there was some sort of mystery bundle that I could get. And I'm telling you, there are literally hundreds. So after scouring literally those hundreds, I found a shop that seemed to fit a lot of my aesthetics, also happened to be local, Grand Rapids, Michigan. It's on the other side of the state, but still local enough to me, and it's called Shop Good Witch. This shop has nearly 5,000 5-star reviews, an absolute ton of different style aesthetics. If there's not already one that you like on the site, like romantic or grunge or something, then you could do what I did, which was the personal style thrifted bundle. There's also multiple bundle sizes and an entire style quiz. So once I picked out my bundle size, I selected 5 pieces because that's what I would have gotten in the Fashom mystery box, and it is also a mystery box, and this is $88, which is a little bit more than the Fashom one at $55, but I did kind of have a little bit more hand in the actual curation of it. So the style quiz asked for the obvious things, your sizing info, your inches, your sizing, if you prefer to dress more masculine or feminine, if oversized tops are okay, or if crop tops are okay, if dresses are okay. And then there's also a box where you could type in all of your own personal notes. And this is basically where I unloaded that I'm having a midlife wardrobe crisis on this person that styled me. Probably thinks I'm a massive weirdo. Basically, I hate everything that I have. The only thing that I know for sure that I absolutely hate, that I absolutely do not want, would be a t-shirt, because even though I'm wearing a t-shirt right now, it's because I don't like anything that's in my wardrobe right now, and I want an entire rebrand of myself. And this all started when I was packing for vacation, and I was putting together outfits that I would like to pack, and I realized I had almost nothing. I also told them that I'm a 90s kid. And that I love denim. I already see denim pieces in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so the very first piece here, I have a denim cropped tank top. This is badass. I am in love with this. The brand is DL1961. It is an extra small, which I typically wear extra small, and this does look like it will fit me. It looks a little bit big. The straps are actually adjustable with these buttons. That's nice. Of course, we're going to try everything on in a minute here. We have a tank top. This is very 90s-esque reminiscent. It is a black cropped cami style tank top with a ruffle detail. Very hard to see. You'll be able to see it on my very light colored body soon. The tag was cut out of it at some point, but it does look like it would fit me. Next up, I think we have a dress. This also feels very 90s. It's that old style Victoria's Secret cotton, that smooth, stretchy cotton dress. It's a very cute neckline, also a very deep scoop, and it is kind of a little bit form-fitting. It looks like it'll probably hit me above my knees, and it has this beautiful floral detail. One of my other dresses, one of my other absolute favorite dresses is this blue and white floral one. So again, this definitely fits my style. This is like how you should feel when you're getting a fashion mystery box, a fashion mystery box in general. My neighbor gets Stitch Fix, and it's like, it seems like a stressful journey every single time, where she's like trying to try things on, but going out of town, having to bring it with her, dropping it off at the post office in order for it to get marked on time. And it's just like, I know me, and I know I absolutely cannot remember to do that. So it's just not my vibe. But also, whenever you get boxes like that, you are cautious to try the things on, to love them, to then be sticker shocked at how much they cost, to then have to rationalize it and battle within yourself if it's worth buying it, and if you can rationalize possibly giving up something else in order to get that item because you already have it and you might as well, or you might as well get the extra item because the discount's going to kick in. And I kind of hate that business model. So this just feels, I love this, and it's thrifted, so it's environmentally friendly. This is the best idea. I got an actual pair of denim shorts in here too. I probably would never have picked out these shorts for myself. I'm not too much of a pleat girl, but I could be shocked. I could absolutely love this style on me. The brand is Jacqueline Smith. It's a size 5'6", which I'm closer to a size 2, but isn't Jacqueline Smith a Kmart brand from like the 90s? Maybe that was a different actress that used to be sold at Kmart. And then the last item that I have before we go to try on, this is also just badass. It is an Eddie Bauer flannel. I'm pretty sure it's a men's shirt. It doesn't have the size in there. Obviously, it would be super oversized on me. That's kind of the idea with flannel, so I would want it to be that way. I'm stoked about this. I think I actually have like outfits too. I could put a couple of these things together as outfits. So far, I am feeling very confident in all of these pieces, but let's try them on. This top has no right being this freaking cute. I love this piece. I adore this piece. It fits me absolutely perfectly. It's like it was literally made for me. But I love the denim on denim. I love the white buttons and the white shorts, but also figured that this top would look really cute with a flowy skirt. I don't have the right one, but I have this dress, which you will get the idea if we fold it in half. And now I think that I need to add a flowy floral skirt to my closet. Can you picture it? Next up, the black tank top. Again, it fits me absolutely perfectly. The sizing is absolutely spot on, and it's an excellent basic to add into my wardrobe. I adjusted you so you could see a bit more of my entire body. This dress fits like halfway to my knees. It fits like a glove. Again, I absolutely adore this. I love the pattern. I love the comfort. I love the style. I love it. I didn't think that I was going to like them at all. I thought that this was going to make me look like I had some sort of weird poofy front butt, but it doesn't. They do need some ironing, but other than that, definitely also keepers, and they're surprisingly comfortable. Like, they fit me just absolutely perfectly. And then the last thing, this is the giant oversized Eddie Bauer flannel, definitely a men's sizing. I like it, I dig it. So while I was trying everything else on, I had another thought. These are all thrifted clothes, so we need to make sure that they are actually in good condition. And so far, my first impression of all of them were that they were. Also, the listing does say that everything is laundered and nothing smells like cigarette smoke, nothing smells like armpits. I don't want to smell the men's shirt armpits, but I feel like I have to. Oh, thank God. Nothing smells like armpits. Everything smells very fresh, like a Gain laundry detergent, maybe. I have not found any stains. The only thing that I found that's like a slight issue would be a string at the bottom of the tank top, which looks like it is potentially unraveling. So I can stitch that up real quick, but it also may be a non-issue. Even the dress, there's no name brand or size or anything. And again, it still fit me great. There's no stains that I can see. There's no like fading of the colors of the fabric or worn down parts of it, but I can tell that it's been worn and loved because it's very soft. So I think there is a very, very good eye for detail, for style, for just like, I don't know. I'm super pleased with this. This was absolutely amazing. I would do this over and over and over again. I would use the same shop over and over and over again, honestly, because I had such a great experience. I'll be sure to leave all of the information for the shop down below. That's it thanks for hanging out with me. Please consider hitting subscribe if you like videos like this, because I do subscription boxes along with all of my elevated home stuff. I love to organize and clean around my home. I absolutely love to make it into something a space that I actually want to be in. So I'd love for you to be part of the journey on our way to 100,000 subscribers. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible, and to all of you for being here. Love you all so damn much. I'll see you next time. Bye.